Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. Thanks for joining me today on Shop Shorts. This is going to be a little series that I'm making to show you how I can organize my garage by making small little projects to hold all my tools. And today's video, we're going to start with bench cookies. Now I just got these for, wow, I don't think I just got them. I got them for Christmas last year, so it's been 10 months ago or so. And they've been floating around my shop and I've used them in multiple occasions, like on my cutting board I did. And I've also used them when sanding or routing things. They're great. And if you guys don't have any bench cookies, you should get some. And I'll put, it's from Rockler. I'll put the description down in the link where you can get them. And so I really don't have a good place for them. I found out that a while ago on Craigslist, I got a whole bunch of this, it's not PVC, this is ABS, I guess, because it's black, off of Craigslist for free. And it's the 3-inch diameter. And man, I'll tell you what, this guy fits so darn perfect in there. That's kind of funny. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a little holder for my bench cookies that I'll drill straight to my wall. Stick around, I'll show you how to do it. Now most of my builds I'm going to do here in the Shop Shorts are going to be with scrap products. So don't go and buy a big old stick of this if you're going to make yourself some little bench cookies. Go on Craigslist, talk to your plumber buddies, talk to people that you might know have just did a kitchen or a bathroom remodel or some kind of remodel. Just see if you can grab a little piece. You don't really need much. This was pre-cut when I made my holsters for my drills right here. I have this left over from that, and basically I'm going to cut down the middle just like I did with the holsters. I'm going to put a bottom on it so when you slide this through you can take them out. Let's start by cutting to length. Okay, so I literally went out to my scrap bin, found a piece of wood I think will work just perfect. It looks like it's a 1x3. So I'm going to place that on the bottom because that's going to be inside here, the bottom of this pipe. So put the cookies on top, and then I will measure. We're going to do approximately 5 inches. So we'll cut this pipe down 5 inches. So I'm going to use my scrap to move the fence. I'll raise the blade. I'll make my first cut. Now I'll take my scrap, my bench cookie, and I'll space out for the second cut. And then I drilled 2 holes back there, but it wasn't recording. It could look cool. Let's try that. Huh? Look at that. So, if you have more than 4 of them, just make your pipe a little bigger. This is a really easy build. And before I even thought about making this video, I couldn't even find all 4 of these because they get misplaced. They don't have a place to go. But now they have a home, and that's where they'll stay when I'm not using them. And on to the next build. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Gary the Bearded Woodworker. Like, comment, and subscribe.